in Hyderabad, bringing in Karuna Gopal here, the leader from BJP, that we are talking about the YSRCP MLA. But what about Madhavi Lata there, your BJP candidate from Hyderabad? She did not have any right. She was not the polling officer there on duty, asking people to unveil themselves, to check their identity, etc. There are election observers who are there on ground. If she had a doubt, there were policemen, of course, police officials on ground. They could have done that job if at all she had any sort of doubt. She did not have to go about and, in a way, asking women over there in burqas to, lift their veils, etc. So, this is not the kind of behavior that you would expect a leader from a party or a candidate for that matter to have on polling day.
Well, Tanima, all of us have seen the video, and we also know that the police has booked a case against her. But, this is a very unique constituency, absolutely unique when compared to other. I don't think there's any other constituency as sensitive and as different as Hyderabad constituency, from where our candidate Madhavi Lata is contesting. It is different from the demographic perspective. There's a large Muslim population there. Then the constituency is also known for booth capturing. And as you would have also seen, that many fake votes have been detected there. So that gives her, puts her in a place where she perhaps feels insecure, number one. The other thing is, somehow, if you see the officials in the polling booth, not many of them actually are very proactive and ask for the, identity check. See, for instance, when we travel abroad, I have seen at the immigration, the people wearing niqab are asked to remove that, and then the identity is checked. Now, this is a festival of democracy, the most sacred part of democracy. And if we are still doubting whether the identity has to be established, then it is a sad case. So I think she was very worried about it, and she has done what she thought was at that time appropriate.
Right. Let me bring in the Congress at this point. Nagesh, Mr. Nagesh there. The police in Telangana